you've been wanting to move to East Texas and you want to live in a lake community and you want to have beautiful water views of the lake, and not only that, but you want a brand new construction home, then keep watching because I've got the home for you. Let's go see. So now that you've seen the house, I wanted to meet you down here at the common area. That is just right down the road from the home that we just showed you. And look at this beautiful view out here. There's actually a really good swimming spot out here where there's youth groups and things that will come every now and then, and they say it's just really nice and soft and sandy. So you're gonna have a private boat launch that'll be at your disposal that you can use anytime, or your friends can. Picnic tables, you can just come down here and have a picnic. One thing that with this neighborhood that you're gonna want to get is a golf cart. This is one of those communities that everybody has a golf cart. They just drive around in the evenings, they say hello, visit, just kind of catch up with the neighbors, and then sometimes you'll see them just coming down here and admiring the view because it is just gorgeous. This is the deepest end of the lake. So if you're looking for a new construction home in a lake community with water views, this is the home. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to give you more information, so just shout out to me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for me. This is Charlene, your East Texas Realtor. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And by the way, if you like this video and you want to see more videos of home tours in East Texas, then click right here. And if you don't want to miss a video, then be sure and subscribe right here. And if you want to be notified when a video does come up, click the notification bell. Thank you so much.